Binaka friends, we are here in one of the towns in west of Busan, south. I'm sweating, but have a look at the pottery. So similar to those of us at home in Fiji. Have a look. Look at this pottery, clay pottery from this town that I'm visiting. Look at this. It's amazing. So what do you think, Bedeli? What do you think, Topo? And Esavia? This beautiful pottery in Korea. It's beautiful. They're all made of clay. I'm just in awe to see the similarities of the pottery. We are indeed part of the Austronesian family. So sharing with you some of the pottery here in Korea, in South Korea. I'm visiting one of these museums. It's hot, but I just wanted to share that beautiful pottery, very similar to the ones we find in the Pacific. And we're still making pottery in Fiji. Vambuli chuka to all my taubu from Naronga, I think the villages of Nakambuta, in Sinatoka, from Lawai, Vambuli chuka viarke the taubu. But I'm still here in Korea, and no, in Nalotu, in Kandabu, in the district of Yahweh, we make pottery. Okay. There's a host from Landroma here to talk. Kona watu e theuti e tukena na kalokalo melo malangi. The constellation e theu e na watu. Wow.
Good.
Very
This
nice.
is discovered in the tomb. Yeah. This is the big stone covered the eye of the descent. Yeah. So this is.
That is amazing.
우리 이거 13번 언제 발굴했죠?
1918년도에 일제에서 발표하고 100년 후에 다시 2018년
2018.
And it was brought inside here.
Yeah. Real one.
Okay.
Yeah. There are around 10 cover stones in one of them. Because the tomb is really huge.
Okay.
Yeah. One of these huge stone is just up on the eyes of the descent.
Okay, so that one was
Kona
brought
watu
in
theuti
first.
tula na kalokalo melo malangi na constellation.
Did the others, any of the others have the...
No, just this one.
Just one had-
Yeah, one has the star, like a star.
Wow.
Yeah.
Amazing.
So you can figure out the stars in the period of Gaia.
Oh,
Yeah. Same. Certainly the same star. 저기 figure. This is what are from tomb number 13.
Okay, and the capstone, or the stone, big stone.
저것도 13호고요.
네,
13호고
안에서
altogether.
Now, a big excavation, all
Really,
2018.
yeah.
Very recent. And some of the now is still intact.
Oh, of course.
Yeah. We have some hundreds of ones, so yeah. Most of them are yet. Okay.
Wala ka koe wale tu melo watu. Ko theuti tu kaminda kulimba. Mai wano leo. Iya. Ela kabali wala siya mo chiko mai. Leo na kanda vulida. Wala tao. Dar na langi. Wala na. Ke vulida chiko na tulukuro. Tulutuli pottery. Terlalu no makau koe. Sa to sumai na tuli na ngele. Sa ngete ko meraban taka na siliva. Te ko bantaka na ironi. Sa kola ni matakali. Very interesting. Fascinating. Lots more pottery. More pottery. Kita kada sar-sar cukup main. Pampul juga di Korea. Oke. Bicara berlaku. Sampun, kata-kata. Ceramic pottery. Distribution map of the flame pattern pottery. Flame pattern, eh? Pakana yame all made of flame. All the flames, can you see? Yeah. Na yame bichi ko na pattern ni koro. Kotali se toso kana koro. Yeah. Ciao, guarda che non mi viene anche tete pottery. Kono bonara kelimikina salo kormakao. Delinquer kangala nasimo to kasi Indian se. Salirana ko. Yeah. Okay. Sama mo yan. Alama.